In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to switch from regular trading hours to extended trading hours on TradingView. Now, we're currently on the S&P 500 chart, and we need to find an individual stock. So we're searching here for, let's say, NVIDIA. So writing in NVIDIA, you can see that it is stock registered on the NASDAQ. We're left clicking on that, and we've opened our chart. Now, you can see at the bottom of your screen, we have the extended trading hours option already in. You can click on that and you can switch from regular trading hours to the extended trading hours. Now, what this shows essentially is that this is when the market opens and closes. This is the pre-market value. So once we click on the extended trading hours, you can see that this is the pre-market value for NVIDIA on the 16th of April, 2026. So essentially, the extended trading hours shows you the price action prior and post market close. So changing it is as easy as clicking at the bottom of your screens between ETH and RTH, and that is essentially what it shows to you. So if you're planning on entering a position, you can switch to the extended trading hours to see the way the price action is developing prior to the market open, and then you can adjust your entry positions accordingly. So this can be done for a variety of stocks as well. So for example, let's go to Intel, searching Intel quickly. You can see we are now on the regular trading hours. At the top right, you can see this is the pre-market value, but it's not showing the candlestick. So that is a key difference which we haven't discussed up till now. So it shows you the value, but you cannot see the candlesticks. Whereas with the extended trading hour, you can see that this is live, and this yellow bar on our screen shows us that this is the extended trading hours, and this is the pre-market value. So I can use these candlesticks leading up to the open, and I can see where I could place my open position on Intel, for example, whether I'm shorting or going long, and where I would place my stop loss and take profit levels as well.